Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 24th of April, 2018. Hopefully you're staying dry out there. Well, today wrapped up our last day of state testing for the 6th grade. Woohoo! Congratulations. Great job. Mrs. Cap and myself, we're very, very proud of you. Looking at what we do have this evening for homework. In science, extra credit bag of soil is due tomorrow. If you've not brought your Malabar money yet, that's $4. You're going to get that to Miss Falk. Social studies, there is no homework. In language arts, you need to continue to work on your mentor text project. That is due by Thursday at the latest. I know quite a few of you are done and some have already presented, so kudos to you. In literature, we need to read AR. All of our points are due by the 18th of May. All right, and then we've got your book club book reading log this evening. You also need to look at our Reading Rally Pizza Party. If you won your Reading Rally, that's going to be Thursday. You can bring a drink and chips. All right, that's going to be it for this evening. Make it a good one.